channel if you're new here, and if you've seen me before, then welcome back. So today I'm doing a PrettyLittleThing try-on haul, and I'm just going to show you guys all the items that they sent me. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you guys want to stay connected with me, find me on my social medias. I will have them all listed here. And let's get started. All right, guys, these are all the items that PrettyLittleThing sent me. They sent me quite a bit, so I'm going to show you guys, I think starting with the sets first, because I have like 3 or 4 sets, so I do want to start those first. So let's get started. I pulled this set first because it is my absolute favorite. I love the colors in it. It's so vibrant. The fabric is very flowy. It's kind of thin, but on a good side, like a thin, airy fabric, not thin see-through. And y'all, when I tell y'all this color is super vibrant and pretty, and like it does everything for the skin, like everything. I love it. So the shirt is a button down and it ties up. So it will show your midriff, just a tiny bit of it, just depending on how long or short your torso is. I just thought the whole look looks very nice. Like spring is here and summer is right around the corner kind of thing. This next set is so cute too. Y'all don't hear me say this the whole time because I think like everything I have is like really cute. So this is another short set. The shirt is oversized, so keep in mind if you don't want your shirt so oversized, then size down, because I got this one in a size 4, and I kind of wish I would have gotten it in a 2 because I didn't know it was going to be so oversized. You have pockets on this one also. You have front pockets and back pockets. So I paired this one with a green belt. It's like a pouch belt. So I paired it with that, and then I put on some white heels with it. You can do white or green. I think both would look good, or nude. It does have pleats on the inside. So with your shorts, I wish I would have sized up with my shorts, because anytime you're busting out of your pleats, just size up. It looks better, it looks cleaner. You might want to size up in the shorts and down in your shirt, depending on how oversized. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna keep it going with the green. I'm gonna get this green. I guess if you want to call this a set, but a suit or whatever. It's a crop blazer and some wide leg pants. You can wear this just like I have it here. You can wear it with no shirt up under, or you can open up the blazer and put on a shirt under, and it'll still be super cute. And guys, for this next one, it is brown. And y'all, I know it's spring. I know it's supposed to be more about, you know, like your pastels and colors like that, but believe me, I will have a video coming for that. This brown is another little suit. You can wear this to work. It has like this little corset thing going on. It's almost like a holster, a gun holster, that police officer kind of look. But it also has shoulder pads, but the pants are flared at the bottom, and also you do have permanent crease line in these pants. This next set is a button down, and I guess almost like some crop pants, but some pants or whatever, and it has a drawstring waist, very comfortable. You can also wear this in the office or wherever you work. It's nice and is like a semi-casual look, or you can dress it up or down. Also, this fabric is a thinner fabric, a breathable fabric, perfect for the spring, so you don't have to worry about the long sleeves being too hot. The fabric is absolutely perfect, and also the pants have pockets too. We went in with the sets, y'all. And I love this because it's like slip on, I'm ready to go. This is the last outfit. This is a long sleeve, perfect for the spring. It also has shoulder pads, and it has this pleated look. The pants kind of flare. You will have a problem with the pants if you're anything like me. I'm 5'3". The pants are extremely long, and I think I could have sized down. These are size 4, and the pants are extremely long. And y'all, when I tell y'all I have to really fold these things for y'all to see how it looks, that's what's going on here. The whole look is just giving me that rich auntie kind of look, and I love it. I love the whole thing. I absolutely love this. I love the way the pants flare at the bottom. I like the shoulder pads that looks like you mean business. This right here, I absolutely love this outfit. Just staying on cream, I'm gonna go with jumpsuits next. I do have 2 of them, and here's the first one. This one is like a satin suit. I love the cow neck, the drooping, so do be careful of that if you don't want much to show, but it's so much fabric there that you can kind of pin something together so you won't hang out to cover any cleavage that you don't want exposed. It does have a split hem here at the bottom, and it's very cute to show off whatever kind of sandals or heels that you're wearing. It's a win-win. Faux leather jumpsuit, and yeah, I really don't know what made me pick this out. I don't know. And let me tell you this, you might want to size up for this one because it is a little tight. Hold on, hold that thought. Let me see what size did I get it in. So I got this one in a size 2 because this is what they had, and I just went ahead and sized down rather than size all the way up. But in this particular one, I probably could have just went ahead and sized up to a size 6 instead of the 4. But I did a 2, and it's really tight across the top in my midsection. So if they have your size, go with your size. If they don't, then go a size up and not down. And then of course with your shoes, you can pair this with black sandals. I chose black. I just wanted to keep everything black. Next, I'm just gonna do blazers. I'll start with this blazer. This is a army green blazer. It gives you more like I guess like a army look or some kind of cadet look. And then you also have this flap in the back, which is really nice. It's a crop blazer. It's nice with jeans, however you want to pair it up. This blazer right here, this is a very bright, like a lime green. You can dress it down with jeans, or you can dress it up with some kind of slacks or trousers or something like that. And the quality on this one is, it's a really nice quality, but I just don't really like the style of the blazer. But as for quality, it's pretty nice. Next, I have this blazer. It's like a cream or like a khaki color, and the back is cut out. And like I said with my waist, I have a short waist, so sometimes you can't even see all the cutout, but I'm trying to give it to you as best as I can right here. And it's really nice with some jeans. Love the detail in the back. It gives you more to look at than just a simple, just everyday blazer. And also, this one you might want to size up. For me, I could have sized up because it's a little tight around my hip section. We are almost done, and I'm just moving on to tops. And I only have one top, I guess Asian inspired top. It wraps around your neck, kind of. You guys can see it when I'm trying it on. The quality is very nice. It does have this snap here, so it keeps the top closed, and it is one shoulder, and I think it looks really cute with some jeans. And if you have your hair in a top bun with the bangs and then the chopsticks, that whole look, I think that would be super cute. This is the last item. These are jeans. I usually don't order jeans from places like PrettyLittleThing or Your Nasty Gal or places like that because to be honest, I found that the jeans usually sag in the crotch area, and jeans are so stiff and so hard that they're not breathable. You can't really move. So I tend to go to another place, like if it's somewhere specifically for jeans, or I pay a little more for my jeans because I like the movement. But as far as the fit, it's pretty well. They don't have much give, and so the fabric is a little stiff. Yeah. Reached the end of this haul. I hate to go, but I gotta go. And you can shop most of my looks, if not all of them. I have them on Like to Know, and I do have that on my link tree. So if you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you can click that link in the bio and find those links. That is it, and I don't want to ramble on. And don't forget, if you are new here and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one.